Well, hello guys, Tom here. Another little project I just got worked on. This is the same sound card that Jim Tedesco got. He sent me a link and I ordered it and it came in the other day. Then I had to order some things. I had a speaker, didn't work well, so the speaker came in today. I hooked it up and it sounds a lot better than the one I had. And this is going to go up on my farm. It has farm sounds on the SD card. The SD card goes right in this slot here. I have one in there. Two wires go to the speaker and two wires go to power. Right now I have it just hooked up to a 9-volt battery and it plays. And I can just tap it into my power source up there that I have set up, so then it'll play. So this is the SD card I got. They came from Amazon too. That's the little, it's a 32 gig memory card. And then the black thing, this is an adapter, and you slide the SD card in this slot here, and then you'll see the contacts on this side. That goes into your computer, and then you can copy files onto the SD card with the sounds that you want to put on this. And I have a software package called WavePad Master, and I took all the files that I got and then made it into one MP3 file. So it just plays it continuously and it'll loop around. And so let's give it a let's give it a listen to. And all I gotta do is watch my fingers. I'm holding the battery so it doesn't come on. And on the board, there'll be a green light that comes on. So let me get that on. Hey, it's time to feed the chickens. see it looped around again. So I have chicken sounds, cow mooing, I have sheep, I have birds there chirping, chickens, and stuff like that. Different farm animals sounds I found. Put them all on one MP3 file, and so that's it. Now, right now, I'm 3D printing a building to enclose all this, to put it up on the layout, so it'll be behind the building. You won't see it. It'll be up there by the farm scene, and then it'll kick on automatically and play, and that's what's going to happen. And you'll be able to see the chickens pecking away up there, and you'll hear the chickens clucking and stuff like that. So it's going to be pretty cool. So that's what's coming, and this is a short little video showing that, and we'll see what else happens. So this is Tom. Everybody have a good one, and we'll catch you all later. Take care.